Right, so greets from the TCL booth, and right now I'm looking into the TCL NXTPAPER 11 Plus. So obviously, so this is the tablet, which is the NXTPAPER. So as you can see, it has the Chinese on, well, but that's not the standard, I assume. I can bet it, they come in English. But the cool thing about those, so on the phone, you have like a flip and switch. On here, you have this, you have it here. And when you press this, you can choose kind of what mode you want to go. So you can go regular mode, which will give you like a normal tablet mode, nothing fancy about it, but obviously on the NXTPAPER, right? So that's decent, Looking cool, colorful, but you can also feel that matte finish on it. But what you can do, you can go into the color, right here, the ink paper mode, which is the inky one, and making it like literally almost like a Kindle mode, and that also saves so much energy, so it actually lasts much longer, because obviously this device has 8,000 mAh battery, which can last for quite a long time, especially in this mode, and it has a 2.2K 2.2K resolution display, which I think is decent, especially that this is 11.5-inch tablet, which is pretty slick, with the camera at the back. Like, its design of it's actually nice, So you can see it has a 256 gig of storage as well, and 20 gig of ROM. So, of RAM, sorry. So yeah, I think that makes it a pretty nice and kind of like I would say even a working tablet with like even obviously some gaming as well. And it also has when it comes to the processor, it runs the MediaTek MT8781. So yeah, that's probably like, I would say a mid-range, so yeah, even above mid-range processor, which is definitely decent and weighs less than half a kilo. Pretty cool, right? So remember everyone, if you like, just to do, just hit that like and follow or subscribe, so you're up to date with everything that's going on. And more cool things will be coming, especially from IFA Berlin.
MadTechTalk, tech so fly, breaking down gear, let's amplify. Sub like, don't miss a thing. Tech reviews with a little bling. We out for now, but stay tuned. More fire tech is dropping soon.